fucking just Mustang people. Yeah. Go ahead, get on in. Somebody's got to drive. Because I bring my other one, I can put my day.
That's a nice color combination. Did you choose that, or is that the way it came? Oh, is it? Okay.
I think it's some kind of a Jaguar green or something.
Is it? Yeah, that's a cool color.
It used to have a black interior, but he got turned white.
Right? Yeah, that just with the dark outside and the nice white inside, that looks nice. '65 GTO, you just can't beat them. And a Dodge Demon. Not her, the car.
Yeah, it's got a 455.
That's a pretty car. .44 barrel, 72 Dodge Demon. Charger. Zoom zoom. Chrysler Imperial. Let's go walk it off here. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, about 20 foot of car. 20 foot long car. Yeah, I feel it. We're right next to a building, so if it gets bad, we'll go up there. Oh, he's all right. Sure. Oh, can't avoid people out here. Look at that Lincoln. That's neat. A 1956 Lincoln. Wow. There's a lot of cars. Lincoln Premier. Wow, that is sharp. The black and white interior, oh, that is so cool. Plymouth GTX 446 pack. That's cool. How are you?
I'm wonderful. How about you?
Real good.
There you go. You were at Smyrna
Yeah.
doing the whole thing.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Oh, yeah. That's Ford. She likes your car.
Oh, thank you.
I bet. That's a pretty blue, isn't it?
You know what the color is?
What's that?
Bright blue.
Bright blue is the name of it?
That's it.
Yeah?
It's on the can.
That's nice. I like the flames in it. That's pretty. Bright blue. Nice work, sir.
I got it cheap, you know.
That's what I do.
I paid $2,000 for the '57 Chevy when I restored it. It's $80,000.
Automatic motor.
Just down with
That's a cool Ford. Let's see what the interior looks like on this. Ah, that's nice. 1954. 1950 Ford. General chaos. Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. That's cool. I like that. '67 Plymouth Barracuda. That's neat. I like that. '44 coupe. That's cool. Is that what they call a flathead V8?
That's it.
That's what I thought. Studebaker champion.
Get out of your way.
Oh, you're not in my way. No, you're not in my way. It's a hell of a blower. That Pontiac 2+2. Good, how are you? Good, Pat. How are you, man? Good.
On that popcorn, man.
Awesome.
Refill.
Awesome. How are you?
I'm good, man.
What is your name again?
Robert.
Robert, nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and this is your...
My car?
Yes, sir.
1969 Buick Riviera.
A 1969 Buick Riviera. How long you had it?
It's been like 23 years.
You've had this car 23 years?
I bought it back in 99, so that's about 23 years, right?
It's been your baby all them years too, huh? Now, folks, this is a rare sight. This is a rare sight. That man sitting in a chair at a car show without a camera in his hand.
That's a very rare sight.
That is a rare sight indeed. Man, that is cool.
One of the guys in the club got one of these, but it's one of those ones that you can't touch it once.
Huh?
Another old event down there.
Okay, we'll go walk
All my
around there.
all my stuff is don't touch it. Johnny,
That's cool. Wasn't much to him, was there? They did.
Why do they think they got a pro this season, right?
Huckster Model A.
Yeah, I'm in nice. This is really nice. But this is really nice. It's a little rough. Trying my next shot yet.
What's up, Frankie? Frankie from New York. Yeah, it is. I saw it last week.
You recently.
You did?
Inside Daytona, yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
I hope
no
you're
problem.
enjoying them.
I'm the guy with the old ratty Volvo. You filmed my car.
Oh, yeah,
man.
yeah.
I
That's
seen you took a picture.
Man, I thought that was interesting. I come around. That was cool. Nice car. Good. I'm glad you enjoy them.
All right, nice. Nice seeing you.
Yeah, you too. Mopar or no car? That's cool. Plymouth Belvedere, that's neat. Huh? Yeah. What did you say? Out of here like a Belvedere? That's cool.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
Okay.
You like that paint job? I'll paint your car like that.
No, thank you. That's pretty wild.
Yeah. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, I like the way they finished those bumpers. Another what? I don't know. Let's get it.
Art something framing.
That's perfect. Chevrolet.
Top 10.
That is beautiful.
That is cool.
Thank you, Bill. appreciate that very much. Yeah, I had them for you. I saw the steel piece down there. I thought, yeah, I did. I talked to Bob this first time since I've been here. Yeah. He's been working out the garage out of his house because it's not cheaper than he did. The big one down there. They said
He said he moved to the state nervous wreck, but watch out for him. What the heck? Me and that Mercury was still neck and neck. Now, over the desert, we did glide, flying low and flying wide. Me and that Mercury was taking a ride, and we stayed exactly side by side. And I looked in the mirror and I saw,
Man,
How you doing?
pretty good. 31 Ford Model A,
Yes, sir.
and it's for sale.
Yes, sir.
Why are you selling it?
I want a coupe.
You want a coupe?
I want a street rock coupe.
Well, there you go. That's a good reason.
New toys.
Get rid of one, start another one. There you
That's
go. What's your
right.
name?
Yete.
Yete? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'll post this on my site, Drive By Cars with Alan.
Sounds good. Drive-by cars without.
Yes, sir. What's the asking price?
27.
27. What size motor you got in it?
350.
A 350?
373 posi rear with a turbo 350 trans.
Right? Awesome. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man's tired of a pickup and he wants a coupe. Hey,
You gotta have a different.
you gotta
toy
have what
every
you
now
want.
and then.
You gotta have what you want. Life is too short, right?
What is that called? Drive what?
Drive By Cars with Alan on
Okay.
YouTube.
Thank you.
Yep, ALAN. You may have noticed the beautiful blonde coming in and out of the frame of my videos. Well, that's my better half. She decided to come along with me today to take some pictures. I'm going to post them here at the end of the video. Thanks for watching Drive By Cars with Alan, and if you can, please subscribe to my page and share them on some of your other Facebook pages. Good night.